Now the train is going back from Kurseong towards Darjeeling. They are going to reverse her route. She'll come out in reverse, she'll go on that side, change the track, and then go this way. Let's follow it. So this place is like one of the busiest traffic junctions. Like there are traffic coming from three sides and the train just goes in between like that. Once it is gone, they will change the track, put her on the separate track, the one going towards Darjeeling, and we'll be ready to go. And while the traffic keeps moving, there they are ready to change the tracks. Go. Now we are going. The tracks have been changed. So now it's supposed to go on that side instead of this side. So it will be was that track, not this one.